The Broil King Smoke Vertical Charcoal Smoker is designed to create mouth-watering, authentic smoke-flavored foods. Create low and slow barbecue classics like fall-off-the-bone ribs, delicious pulled pork, and mouth-watering brisket. The Broil King Smoke Vertical Charcoal Smoker lets you expand your grilling experience for authentic barbecue flavor. Every detail of this smoker has been precisely engineered. From durable construction and stylish accents to exceptional cooking versatility, Broil King brings it all together. Let's start by looking at the cooking system. Designed for efficient thermal convection-style cooking, the main body and construction of the smoker has been engineered with a durable, double steel-walled design that insulates the cookbox, providing consistent results every time. The exterior is a durable, powder-coated finish that is easy to clean and designed to last in all weather conditions. The stand is an ultra-sturdy steel frame with heavy-duty wheels. This allows you to easily move the cabinet smoker wherever you need it to go. The design of the cast aluminum dome roof promotes convection action and yields better cooking results. On the top and bottom of the vertical smoker, you will notice dampers made of durable, thick cast aluminum. They allow you to control cooking temperature by regulating airflow through the intake dampers and exhaust dampers. The more you open the dampers, the more air will flow through to the charcoal. The more air, the hotter the temperature. The cabinet body has 4 tool hooks so that you can keep any cooking necessities close at hand. The cabinet body also has a handy bottle opener, so you can sit back and enjoy a beverage while the Broil King Smoke Cabinet Smoker creates that authentic slow-cooked flavor. The vertical smoker also features a 2-door design, ensuring that you maintain a constant cook temperature, even when you open the cookbox door to add more charcoal or wood chips. When you open either door, you will notice a high-performance seal and the door latch systems designed to keep heat and smoke in the cabinet for the best possible results. The secret to cooking on the Broil King Smoke Vertical Charcoal Smoker is making sure the doors remain closed. The accurate built-in thermometer on the upper cabinet door ensures that you can maintain the exact temperature you need. The vertical smoker comes equipped with 4 removable and adjustable cooking grids, as well as a rib and roast rack and stainless steel hooks. This allows you to cook more food in the smoker and expand your cooking possibilities. The grids and roasting rack are made of top-quality stainless steel. The internal components of your smoker can slide out of the cabinet, and the grid rails are adjustable, allowing you to customize the inside of your smoker for whatever meal you're preparing. Every vertical smoker comes with 16 stainless steel hooks. Leave the upper rack in place and use the 16 hooks provided to hang chicken pieces and any other items that might work. The convenient and durable fold-down drip tray is great for preventing unwanted messes when loading or unloading the smoker. Your vertical charcoal smoker is equipped with a water pan. This keeps your food from drying out. Finally, to protect your investment, it's a great idea to get a cover for your Broil King Smoke Vertical Charcoal Smoker. This will keep your smoker safe from the elements and keep you cooking for years to come. Enjoy fall-off-the-bone ribs, tasty and tender brisket, or roast chickens, turkeys, or your favorite vegetables. The Broil King Smoke Vertical Charcoal Smoker is designed for authentic Southern cookhouse classics and is the perfect addition to the Broil King family. And yours. Broil King, great barbecues every time.